multiple fronts, multiple deployments, escalating operations. The demands on the men and women of the U.S. military are intense and growing more so every day. As a result, the pressures and challenges facing the families of those men and women also continue to grow. The question is, how best to help? The military and supporting organizations have always offered an array of programs to assist military personnel and their families. But a new day and new set of challenges demands a new way of doing business, especially in a time of economic difficulty. Understanding those new realities, the White House and the Pentagon have made supporting military personnel families a top priority for our nation. Calling together key players from throughout the government and beyond, the Military Community and Family Policy Summit of 2010 resulted in 5 critical recommendations. Recommendations that underpin a connected, integrated approach to serving military. Those involved in the summit called for establishing collaborative partnerships, developing and implementing programs that support military children and youth, addressing the psychological and behavioral health needs of military families, communicating critical information to family members, and evaluating programs and building on successes. With an eye toward leveraging the best of what already exists rather than creating a new agency or bureaucracy, the Department of Defense joined forces with the U.S. Department of Agriculture to leverage the land-grant university system on behalf of military families. With a well-established, robust network of cooperative extension offices serving every community in the country, the partnership can truly provide military families what they need, where they live. The overall mission: advancing the health, well-being, and quality of life for military service members, families, and their communities through the coordination of research, education, and extension programs. How? By existing service providers, the land-grant university system, and their associated local extension offices, focusing on 3 core areas: improving community capacity to support military families, increasing professional development and workforce development opportunities, and by expanding and strengthening programs in family readiness, child development, and youth development. Supporting military families is critical to the success of each and every soldier, and the success of our soldiers is critical to the success of our armed forces and ultimately our nation. The University of Nebraska-Lincoln Extension, in partnership with Penn State University Extension, have developed the Child Care and Youth Training and Technical Assistance Project. The overall goal is to help military children be successful by being ready for school and demonstrate improved educational outcomes. This overall goal will be accomplished by increasing the quality of child care providers serving military families, and by increasing the quantity of child care providers serving military families. This will take place in 13 targeted states throughout the U.S. How will this be accomplished? By providing Train the Trainer workshops and training the child care providers face-to-face, by recruiting and training new providers, and by providing online classes and mentoring through Better Kid Care. The Extension Military Partnership is a first giant step toward improving the lives of all who serve and the ones they love. The challenge is real. The time is now.